Chapter 14. A bunch of stuff that changed everything. Soon, guess what? I'm back! Are you going to change your comic? Nope, I'm just gonna be me. Hey everyone, look who else is back. What are you smiling about? Nothing. Hey Daddy, shall we get a dog? No, Pedro, we can't. Melvin, she wrote back again. No thanks. I don't want to read it. It's about Baby Frog Squad. Oh, great. It's probably offensive to astronauts. Melvin, you need to read this. She liked it. Baby Frog Squad is going to be published. No way. Yes way. She's sending us a contract. It's gonna be a real book. Hooray! All you have to do is make 200 more pages and... Wait, what? It has to be 224 pages. 224 pages? We can't make 224 pages. That's way too many pages. It's impossible. I'm all stressed out. I can't do it. It's too much. I need to lie down. I need to quit. Me too. Me 3. Me 4. Hey! Nobody is gonna quit. We're all going to work on this together. 1 page at a time. Everyone is going to help. And I am going to direct. We're not just going to make a book. We are going to make the best book ever. Hooray! That night, hey, you kids get back to bed. I'm serious. Naomi, what is going on? I'm directing. Get back in bed now. Go on, get in there. I love being the director, Daddy. It's the perfect job for me. I'm good at storytelling. I'm good at bossing people around. I'm smart. I'm talented. I am an influencer. You're humble. Yeah, I'm humble. Hey, Daddy, do directors make a lot of money? Well, yes, something sweet. Hey, everybody. We're getting an ice cream machine. Hooray! You kids get back in bed right now. Well, folks, we've come to the end of a dramatic day. Will everyone be able to work together? Will Naomi's craving for cash be her downfall? And will the baby frogs ever stay in bed? Find out in our next thrilling adventure, Cat Kid Comic Club.